Hey beautiful people, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. On today's video I'll be showing you how I lay down my hair. Not really slick it, but how I lay it down. Please, if you find this a video or rather tutorial helpful, please like, comment on the comment section below, and I'll be replying each and every comment. Yeah, stay tuned. So first and foremost, I'll be unplaiting my hair, because before I go to bed each and every night, I just do a flat twist or I just mini twist my hair, whatever I see that fits. So yeah, I'll just be unplaiting my hair and then stretching it out. Then I'll be going in with my olive oil. This is a root stimulator. It is very good for your hair. Okay, well, it is good for my hair, but you should try it out. Most especially if you have dry hair, this will help you a lot. Up next, I'll be going in with my NELLY Nature. It's a hair and scalp oil. Then I'll be combing my hair so that I can start with my hairstyle. Now just make sure that you comb it until at least it's soft for you to open your line. And yeah, I just added a bit of water so that it can be easy for me when I open my line and when I style my hair. And then I start opening my line right in the middle. You can open either side of your hair. So here what I actually did is open a line at the back of my hair and then started applying some gel on my hair. The gel that I used is an olive oil gel. It is a conditioning gel. It claims that it has a strong hold and no flake. I don't think so, because it didn't work for my hair. My hair is quite thick, as you can see, so I normally use like eco gels and so on. I just used this gel. I didn't like really expect a slick on my hair, like slicking my hair down. So yeah, but if you have like thin hair and if you have like fluffy hair, natural hair, more soft hair, this will definitely work for you, and it feels very lightweight. Yeah, but don't expect it to slick your hair. Don't expect that. Yeah, so I just continued and applied the gel on my hair, and where I sprayed some water where necessary, most especially when I felt the areas where they were dry, so that it can be easy for me when I comb my hair and lay it back. brushing it with my brush just to try and lay it down a bit more. And as you saw, I added more gel to just lay it down. So now I'll be putting my shower cap and my duck on. Yeah, and then I'll wait for it to dry, probably 2 hours, for 2 hours, and then I will come back and show you the final results. So while I was waiting for 2 hours to let it dry off, I actually did my makeup as well. So yeah, let's see how it looks. This is the final look, my loves. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next tutorial.